Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to start your DevOps journey. I am going to give you the roadmap for the DevOps, but this is totally depends on my thoughts. It's not about something on roadmap, but this is the method which gave me the result for me as well. If someone is trying to switch into DevOps or they want to start into DevOps, this video may be helpful for them. Before that, I'm making lot of videos with effort related to cloud and DevOps. I believe these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. This will be encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into today topic. What is DevOps? So DevOps is nothing. It's like a collaboration between your development team as well as your operation team. So it is not like something about the tools. So it is a set of practices, set of a knowledge which you are going to develop and automate your process into the current environment. How can you start your DevOps journey? So I will suggest you can start with something, any one of the cloud. Why? Because you are going to implement everything on some platform. You need a server, you need a storage, you need a security, everything you require. Start learn any one of the cloud. You can start with AWS preferably because it's having the large demand in the market. So start doing practices with AWS. Start learn these services. So services in the sense, I will request you to do start with EC2, S3. Learn about what is EC2. It is a server. Learn about what is S3. It is a storage, and learn about what are the storages are available, what are the server types are available, how you can do the server creation with the simple options. Learn about the options. Like that, you have to start doing like a 10 to 15 services. Later do hands on those services on single services. You can start implement doing with a free tier account in AWS. So if you have not know how to create a free tier account, I already made a video about this. You can go and check out the video. Even I will give you in the description. So do hands on with those services. Create a EC2 server, create a S3 bucket, create a load balancer, create a VPC, create a route table, and learn about how it is working. Then start do the project. So project in the sense, what I will say, integrate all these services. You can integrate 5 to 6 services. So you are creating some application. So finally the end user is going to be a human, or someone is going to access your applications, right? So for that you need some web URL. So web URL you can use Route 53. Route 53 is nothing but it is a DNS. You are going to use DNS as a Route 53 and connecting with a load balancer or CloudFront, whatever. Then you are connecting with something called VPC, which is under security group. Then you are creating your servers. Then you are deploying your applications. You are going to create your storage, everything. Start do with 2 tier application, then implement to 3 tier application. So this is all about you can integrate those services. Then finally you will understand what is AWS and how the services will work. So next, learn about some Linux basic commands. Start with ls, do some creating directories, copy the directories and moving some directories. So if you have not watched the video, I have already made about Linux commands in our channel. So go and learn commands and practice it. So this is going to be change your entire journey in your DevOps. Next, start with a Git. So what is Git basically? So Git is going to track your code. It's going to create your feature branches. You are going to something, you are doing modifications, and basically you are doing tracking your code. For that you are learning Git. Then what is CI/CD? Understand about CI/CD. So nothing but it is simply you are going to integrate a multiple tools. You are going to integrate automatically, then continuously you are deploying. So you can learn Jenkins. Learn what is Jenkins, how to install it and create some pipelines. Understand the stuff. then you are done with the CI/CD. Learn about microservices. For example, you can learn Docker. Create a Docker file, create the images, and by that way you can create a container. Understand what is container and deploy some applications into that container and expose it. So this will give you the lot of confidence. Learn about IAC. We have already lot of things in the console. It is on the GUI basis. Now you are going to make everything into code basis. For that you have to learn IAC. Learn about what is IAC and start doing on Terraform. So I have already made an exclusive video series about a Terraform. So if you have not watched in our channel, you can go and check out. We have made 30 plus videos about Terraform. Learn about the concepts, how you can implement it and understand those concepts and create a 2-tier architecture as well as a 3-tier architecture. Finally, you are done with IAC. Learn about automation. So what is automation? Automation in the sense you have total 20 servers. You want to create the HTTPD or NGINX in that. So in that sense, you have to log in and do it everything manually. By creating the playbook, you can do it with the single click. And after that, even you want to do some patch upgrade, whatever, you can do it with this Ansible. You can complete everything on the repeated task with Ansible. Next, you can learn about container orchestration. You already know what is Docker. Now you are learning container orchestration. You are going to manage the entire container with some clusters. Learn about what is Kubernetes, how it will work, and try to deploy some applications on Kubernetes. I have made already some videos about Kubernetes in our channel. You can go and look out. I will give you in the description as well. Learn about Helm. This is going to help you to deploy those applications as well. Next, what is now? Now you have to start to the projects. Again, what is projects here? You are going to again integrate all these tools into single term where it is going to work on single flow. So for example, the developer wants to develop some feature, then he will use a Git, then he will push into the Git repository or Bitbucket. Then you have some pipeline wherever it is going to deploy your applications into Kubernetes or Docker, whatever. There you will use Ansible script or Jenkins, or you can use a Kubernetes as well. Here you can use Helm chart. By that way, you're going to deploy into your applications. Again, you're finally going with observability. You can going to monitor entire thing. You can use a CloudWatch, Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, whatever. Learn about any one of the tools. First, understand everything. Then start integrate everything. Then you are finally done with this. So now you understand about everything onto the DevOps, how you can do step by step. So this is the method which I have taught you many people. Even this is helpful for someone who even not look into where to start, where to end. I believe this video is helpful for you to understand how to start with the roadmap on DevOps. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos.